here. Benji's been playing with the drone since we got a new toy. We have been to Red Rocks maybe a couple of times, but we haven't actually got in yet, so it'll be interesting to see.
Alright guys, we're all suited up now. The water looks pretty mean. It's been good viz for the last few days down here on the south coast. But we finally managed to make it out to for dive for like a couple months now. And yeah, wetsuit still fits. George's one, she said that she fitted into it a bit easier.
Yeah, not too much pavlovers.
Not too much pavlovers post Christmas, but the plan is we're going to jump in, do a few fly arounds with the drone around our position, and then get back to you on the GoPro footage when we go under the water.
At some point, sometimes it's a bit worried. Benji's just guttering these butterfish. Yeah.
Pretty much fed his guts to his mates. Dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry I didn't learn from you. 3, last one. Welcome to my cooking show. You mean to chuck your first fish back that you catch, but you can't really do that if you spearfish, can you?
No, it's dead anyway.
We got some nice little fat little butters. I'm going to run down to the water and give them a quick wash. And then I'll just get dressed. Would you like to come?
Yeah, sure.
You can bring two.
No, I'd have to touch that thing.
Yeah. Well, I suppose we've got to always try the canal. What do you reckon? They're going to be fat or?
I don't know, hopefully they were creamy. Hopefully they're fat and creamy.
Oh,
What
damn it!
Blunt knife, shit.
Okay. Alright. Oh, they're pretty fat. Look at them. They're creamy ears.
Oh yeah, they look pretty good.
They always like this in summertime though. Oh. I know you don't like Kinners, babe, but you have to try this. See what you reckon.
Salty treats.
Salty treats. They got a bit of a tangy aftertaste. They're not sweet.
Not too bad though.
There you go. We've just got some Kinners, some pearls in the bag there. As you saw before, we got some 4 butters. So there's our dinner tonight. And yeah, so not a bad day for the first dive for the new year.
Yeah, 2021.
2021 should be a good year. with everything after you dive, you have to go around and clean all your kits so it's all good for the next dive. So I'll be doing this, but before I start that, I'm going to show you guys something. So we have ourselves a little boat here. Its name's Be Lucky at the moment, but it's a little Senator. It's a nice little solid little tinny there with a little 15 horsepower on the back. This is what we'll be doing all our dives up in the north on. Saves us walking around on the rocks. Oh, so there's enough room for us to dog all our kit in the back, and yeah, it should be a good time. George has shot off to go get a haircut, and left me to do all the cleaning, all the filleting of the fish. So yeah, we'll always get the free ride out of it. As you can see, out of those 4 butterfish, we've got some 4. It's actually 8 pieces of nice fillets here. I had to debone them. They got a bit of bones in them, which I didn't know, but it took me a while to figure out how to get the bones out. Now what George is doing, she's just getting the fillets and cutting them into bite-sized pieces before we make
Fish bites. Gonna taste test one of them. Ooh, looks pretty good.
Ouch!
This is really good.
Is it cooked?